Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about, does the Chapter 7 bankruptcy estate own all my assets? There's a fear when you file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're going to lose all your assets, right? And I want to talk to you a little bit about an interesting little tidbit, and I enjoy this. When you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, all your assets become part of what we call a bankruptcy estate. And technically, you do not have title to your own assets after you file a bankruptcy until 30 days has passed after your 341 meeting. And that's the timeline which passes where the trustee has the right to object to exemptions, but if they don't, then the assets revert back to you. So when you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, from the time you file until the time that 30 days passes, technically, the bankruptcy estate owns your assets. Now, look, you remain in possession of your assets. You remain in possession of the assets of the estate. You live in the home, you drive the vehicles, you use your clothing, this sort of thing. And then when the 30 days passes after the meeting of creditors, the assets revert back to you. Now, when we talk about a timeout in bankruptcy, it's not only a timeout for creditors from chasing your assets, there is a timeout for debtors from selling their assets. Again, we want to make sure there is a timeline so that it can be determined, are there non-exempt assets in your estate that the trustee must liquidate, sell, to pay down your debts? And that's why it exists. When the time is right, when you're ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so happy you did. Have a good day.